back like you owe your tax. Owe me 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 back like you owe your.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I just want to say sorry for that intro because I really didn't have good shots of me like wearing makeup and the hair nice, and I just couldn't be bothered to refilm it because I've had this video on the works for a while now and I just wanted to get it out. So forgive me for that, but basically this wig I made, it was very cheap, and I kind of want to start like a prom series because I know prom season is almost upon us. I'm from Saskatchewan, Canada, and I don't know where anyone is other than from Saskatchewan, but we don't have a prom. And so, you know, even if we had a prom, I wouldn't have gone because I'm that kind of person. But yeah, I just wanted to make a whole bunch of affordable prom styles. So technically this is going to be a series of me just trying affordable looks that you girls can rock for prom. I definitely plan to bring out a video very often, so make sure you guys tune in, make sure you guys subscribe and check out my videos. And yeah, I post really cool stuff about hair, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will get right into the video. So the hair we are going to be working with today is called Classic Brazilian Hair. It's by a company called Noble. I've worked with their hair in the past and I really liked it. However, I really do not like this hair, and I will explain it later in the video. But basically the hair is really thin. The bundles are so thin, so you need a lot. But like I said, I will explain it later in the video. So as you can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and sew down a piece of lace that I think will fit the closure. And make sure you do this the wrong way, like backside. And then I'm going to cut off the excess cap, and I'm just going to place the cap back onto the mannequin head. And then I'm just going to sew on the wefts. I have a video, I will link it down, on how I sew my wefts on. And basically I'm just going to talk about the hair a little bit. The hair was so thin that I had to stack the hair up so much, and it was just, I had to buy so many packs. I ran out. I had to go back and buy some more hair because the hair was just so thin. I needed so much hair. And so you guys can see, I don't know, you can't really see it properly, but you can kind of see the black cap showing beneath, because, and you can also see that really weird like short part at the top. Like it starts off a little thick at the top and then like gets really thin, and I'm just not understanding like why they did that. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut some pieces, as you can see, and then going in with black track glue, I'm just gonna start stacking them onto the lace. That was an accident. I should not have used black glue. I should have used a glue gun, because yeah, that was just, you can see the black glue, and it was just not having it for me. So I decided to ventilate the hair, and I did like about 5 strands, and I was like, nah, like we not finna do this today. And so basically what I did was I cut up smaller sections of hair, and then going in with my glue gun to avoid like the black residue from before, I just stacked the hair on the same way I did it before, and that just gave me a closure that looked like this. You know, it was seamless, no problems whatsoever. However, towards the back there are some like tracks showing, and so basically what I did was I just cut off the weft and then used some nail glue and then just stuck the hair on. Something I really love about wig making is really anything works. Like I can use nail glue and it will work. So I just went ahead and combed the hair out to get rid of all the straggly pieces and all the loose pieces. And this is what the wig is looking like. The top was looking a little flat, so I used eyeshadow to, put some color in it. And then I was like, that's a little too flat as well. So I used mascara to add some black parts, and I also added some layers to the hair just to give it a little bit more. And yeah, that was finally how I did it. The video is done at this point, but I just want to say again that, like, I'm sorry for the intro and for not having good shots of me with the hair. I just couldn't be bothered to refilm it. I'm busy, I'm in school, I don't have time to be refilming things all the time, and I don't wear makeup often, so it's just a whole stress. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Most of the information you need will be down below in the description box. However, if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I will be sure to answer you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.